See what the tickets will give. Yep. Yep. Passed a whole bunch of hooligans. Yeah, you have to go way far down. Gold bars, what will you be? A blue! No, I don't want to cook on Kentucky. Don't you dare give me Kentucky now. Because the more you do, the better you can enhance your chips. The max level is you actually have to beat all the DLCs and basically do New Game Plus. Which I did. You had to buy some stuff again though. And everyone's affection level resets. Wasn't too bad. Like, yeah, I had to clear dungeons again, but White Frontier was still open, like fully open. Give me something, you fucking tickets. Black screen, that's what it gave me.